take welding power and efficiency wherever it's needed. The Kempe Master M205 and the Master M323 deliver high-performance welding with no compromises. All in a compact, lightweight design that's easy to carry. Get all the power and control to complete high-quality welds anywhere. Weld Assist makes finding optimal welding parameters easy. Just select material thickness, joint type and position, and start welding. The Master M205. Take on different materials and complete challenging tasks with one-phase pulse MIG welding. The Master M323. Deliver high-quality industrial welds with confidence. Choose uncompromised portable welding performance. Choose the Kempe Master M205 or the Kempe Master M323.